Have you ever tried to launch Windows Explorer from the Windows Subsystem for Linux, only to be met with an error? It can be really frustrating, right? If that's you, then you're in the right place. Today we're going to solve the issue of launching Explorer from WSL. I totally understand how annoying it is when you just want to open a file explorer and instead get a confusing error message. You're definitely not alone in this. Many users face this issue when trying to use the command start in WSL. Here's the specific situation we're looking at. One user recently asked, "Why can't I launch Explorer from WSL using the command start?" They encountered an error stating they were unable to connect to the system bus. Sound familiar? If so, let's dive into this together and find a solution. So, what could be causing this issue? The error message indicates a problem with the D-bus system, which is essential for communication between processes in Linux. We'll break it down step by step so you can understand what's going on. And don't go anywhere. I've got a quick fix at the end that will make launching Explorer from WSL a breeze. To fix the issue of launching Explorer from Windows Subsystem for Linux, or WSL, the user should first ensure that they are using the correct command. Instead of using start. They should use explorer.exe to open the current directory in Windows Explorer. Next, the user should check if WSL is properly set up and updated. They can do this by running the command WSL update in the Windows command prompt or PowerShell. If the user continues to experience issues, they should verify that their WSL distribution is set to the latest version. They can check this by running WSL-L-V to list all installed distributions and their versions. Finally, if the user still encounters problems, they may want to restart their WSL instance. This can be done by running WSL-shutdown, followed by reopening WSL. Fun fact, did you know that WSL allows you to run a full Linux environment on Windows? It's like having the best of both worlds right at your fingertips. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution suggests that you can launch Windows Explorer from WSL by using the command explorer.exe followed by the path. However, remember to use double backslashes instead of single slashes, as Windows does not recognize Linux path formats. The user created a wrapper to simplify this process, allowing you to use a Linux-style command. Here's the quick fix I promised. If you frequently need to launch Explorer from WSL, consider creating a simple alias in your .bashrc file. This way, you can just type explore to open Explorer instantly. And there you have it. You should now be able to launch Explorer from WSL without any issues. Remember, keeping your WSL updated and configured correctly is key. If you found this helpful, hit the subscribe button for more tips, and don't miss our bonus content on maximizing your WSL experience.